Welcome back to Vegan Kitchen again. Today I am going to make the spicy mint duck or Laab Ped, which is today not quite minty, so I just dyed the mock duck earlier. So ingredient in front of me today is the mock duck and the mushroom sauce. I use this instead of fish sauce. So, and then got some red onion and the coriander and the spring onion with half lines, and so like a ground rice or cooked rice, and I like ground it or mash it up in a really small pieces. And this is the important bit because I like it quite spicy. Without this you don't have it spicy one. So this is like a dry chili, so this is a homemade dry chili. So, and then another one is mint. So this one is really good, so you have to have this mint into it too. So now I'm going to move to the hob to start cooking my mint duck spicy salad. Now I'm going to put mock duck in the pan and then stir fry it with the mushroom sauce until it's cooked, and then we'll put the rest of this roll into the pan later on. So now after about 5 minutes and it's just cooked like this, so I'm going to put the rest of the vegetable into it and all another ingredients, so let's go and do that. And now I'm gonna add everything into the pan like kinds of salads, so we're gonna add red onion into it, and also going to add some spring onion and going to add some limes. This is popular dish in Thailand, or people may call Isan food, and one of my favorites too. I have too many favorites too. So you mix them together and then you just add some this ground rice into it, and then chili flake. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon. I like it quite spicy. And coriander. And some mint. Smell really good. So ready to dish up. So now I'm gonna dish into the bowl and then going to serve with sticky rice today. And this is Laab Ped or minced mock duck spicy salad. So this all this for this week. So I have the minced mock duck spicy salad served with sticky rice, and I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for joining in and watch Love Vegan. So I'll see you again next Thursday at 7 PM UK time. Please like and subscribe and support us. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye bye.
Moment of truth is taste test time. So let's give this a go. That is spicy. Really, really nice. The coriander, the way it mixes with the spice and the onion, that is really good. I think I need to eat some rice for this. It's very hot, but it's lovely.